Welcome to the Super Gold Signals, Key Chart Signals and Analysis. This is Morris. Let's begin the video with a look at the gold stocks. Tonight we'll begin with GDX, and you can see recent corrective action come down to support. We had a nice 3-day run off of those lows, and then disappointment finally sinks in on the overall Fed action. Now, one thing I want to point out in this video is a look at the histograms, and here we are, a very important improvement in the sector. When you're looking at GDX, you're looking at the gold sector. This is an ETF holding the major senior gold mining issues. So whereas price does pull back and outperforms the broad markets, by the way, a day like Thursday when a stock market's down 1,000 points, that's going to have a negative impact on a number of pretty much everything across the board. So the tell here is these histograms, money flowing into the sector. I am looking for higher and higher prices going forward. Staying with the metals, let's take a look next at SSR Mining. Now this stock continues to look good. You'll notice we're going back here to October, lows of 17. We've doubled pretty much from those lows, and we've recently been chopping. So we hit a high in April, we pulled back, and right now we're in the chop zone. I am looking for a breakout in this company. Follow the lead likely on the broad-based market like GDX, where the money flows are moving up. I am positive on SSRM. I have one more important chart to look at, a oil senior company. We'll look at that in a moment. But first, I want to cover the special offer for this weekend, and that service is Super Gold 60. Now, it's very interesting. One of the issues we cover in the Super Gold 60 newsletter is the commods, and I will be doing a very important update for subscribers on Archer Daniel Midland, ADM, a major food update on this coming weekend. Now, let's talk about the special offer, normally trading at $229 for 1 year. We are offering it for 14 months for $199. Get extended period of time as well as a lesser price, and get that special weekend update. Food is very important sector right now in the commodity sector. We'll be looking at a key stock and the opportunity that we see in that particular company. Now, one last chart to look at in the video, and that is Chevron. Chevron down slightly for what we saw in the in the overall broad stock market. As you can see, my footnote on this chart is clearly indicating that there is a lot of upward price pressure coming to the crude market. You have a stock, look at the technicals. We hit a high in early March. We've now been consolidating for 60 days. This is pure opportunity. We are very low supply in the crude market, and these senior companies like Chevron are a pure beneficiary. We get a hard pullback day in the stock market. Chevron is barely down, and notice the histo. We were talking about the histograms previously. Take a look. A very strong upward trajectory. It's all telling me strong money flows. The fundamentals couldn't be any better in the commodity sector. So we love the gold market, love the energy market, and again, don't forget to be involved in this special update, the special opportunity this weekend as it relates to the ADM update. You have to be a subscriber to Super Gold 60 to qualify for that. I failed to mention, you simply need to drop us an email, ask to join that Super Gold 60 service, and you will get the special weekend update. That's all for now. This is Morris with Super Gold Signals saying thank you.